Welcome back to my channel. I am in Crete, Greece. I am going to do my beach makeup routine for you guys. It's really not much. I basically just want to cover up some spots and put sunscreen on and look halfway decent for an extended period of time. I really don't do much to my hair at all. I haven't been blow drying it, straightening it or anything. I've just been letting it dry and putting it in a low ponytail the whole time. And then if I want to look a little bit nicer, I'll just put statement earrings on. I brought a few of those. You can check out my packing video to see everything that I brought. I'll kind of show you varying degrees of like the amount of makeup that you can put on, if that makes any sense. Something that I actually forgot to mention in my packing video and to bring was my salicylic acid from The Ordinary. So I just bought this in Athens. It's the Tea Tree Body Shop little thing. Couldn't find anything with salicylic acid in it. But just to kind of keep my little friends under control, I find that when I'm sweating more, which I obviously do in the sun, that I'm just more prone to breakouts. Now I'm going to use my sunscreen. This is the Dermalogica Dynamic Skin Recovery SPF 50. So it's a moisturizer and a sunscreen. It's my absolute favorite. This is also under 100 mils. So I did carry on, which I highly recommend. And so I just took this with me along with all my other toiletries. And I'm going to use my Jane Iredale Pure Pressed base. And I actually forgot my Kabuki buffing brush. I fucking forget everything. I don't know how. I'm so good with lists and like making sure that I have everything written down. But anyways, so I'm just going to use this powder brush. And I'm basically using this not really for coverage, but more as like an extra SPF layer because it has SPF 30 in it. And just to help keep my skin from getting super sweaty and shiny. I don't really want to be wearing foundation to the beach. It's just not really my thing. Bronzer, if you want. I just do a little bit. This whole thing takes like 2 minutes. Concealer. This is kind of the biggest thing for me. I'm using my Milk Makeup Concealer, which the top has already broken again. And I'm so annoyed because I'm traveling and I can't do anything about it right now. I don't even have a Ziploc bag to put it in so it doesn't get all over my makeup kit. I love this concealer and I really, really wish Milk would just fix the top of this concealer thing because it breaks every time. Anyways, I'm just spot concealing wherever I need some extra coverage. And I usually do around my nose too. I normally like to let it just kind of set for a second. I find it gives me better coverage. Just brush up my brows. You can use gel to set them in place if you want. I just don't feel like it. So then I'm just gonna tap the concealer in. And I just like to tap because it gives you the best coverage. You know this if you've seen any of my other makeup videos, which if you haven't, I highly recommend. How's that? That's not bad. Doesn't have to look perfect, just has to look decent. You don't have to wear makeup at all to the beach if you don't want to. I just feel more confident when I kind of am well moisturized and sunscreened and put together. That's all. I'm actually just gonna set some of that concealer so it stays all day throughout the water and everything with that Jane Iredale Pure Pressed base. Oh, I forgot to rub that in. It's fucking weird, it. This is my absolute favorite thing to take on vacation. It's my Tom Ford Glow Stick. It's got blush on one end, highlighter on the other. Obviously this step is optional, but just for a little extra glow. I'll put some blush on my cheeks. I don't normally do this like on a daily basis, but you can do some highlighter as well. Just tap it on my cheekbones, on my nose. You can put a little on your eyelid too if you want. And that's it. Quite honestly, I do the same thing at night, like after I shower if we're going out for dinner, because I'm just too lazy to do anything else. And then finally just set it with Urban Decay De-Slick. You might as well, you just spent 5 minutes of your life, so make sure it stays. Just want to mention that I actually got my eyelashes dyed before I came. I don't really do this on a regular basis just because it's not that expensive. It's like 20-25 bucks, but I wear mascara on a daily basis anyway, but for vacation, I hate wearing mascara. So I got them done blue black and they last for like 2 to 3 weeks. And I just haven't been wearing mascara on vacation at all. That is it. I hope that was helpful. Now I'm off to the beach. Bye.